Today we are making two vintage Halloween treats, Honeycomb Toffee and Rice Krispie Treats. Follow along so you can get all the details. Let's start with the Honeycomb Toffee. It's important that you lay out all the ingredients and have your supplies before beginning because this process goes pretty fast. You'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Make sure you prepare a flat dish with parchment paper to pour the mixture into. Pour all the ingredients into a small saucepan except the baking soda and mix. You'll also need to add a candy thermometer to regulate temperature. If it doesn't get to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, it won't cool to a hardened state. It will bend and stick instead of snapping and crunching. Remove from the heat and add baking soda. Stir until just incorporated to get big, airy bubbles. Pour onto the parchment paper carefully so you don't flatten the bubbles. Cool for an hour and then break it apart. Rice Krispie Treats are the easiest thing in the world to make, but they do take a little bit of time. You'll need 4 tablespoons of butter, 40 marshmallows, the large ones, 6 cups of Rice Krispie cereal, and 2 teaspoons of sprinkles if you want. Melt the butter and then melt the marshmallows. I made 2 batches. One I used store brand marshmallows and the other were jet puffed marshmallows, which is a name brand. The store brand made a giant clump of melted marshmallows, whereas the jet puff brand actually melted and was more liquidy. So I recommend using the jet puff.